Welcome to qnawire.
We want to write the resulting matrix after the stated row operation is applied to the given matrix. We want to replace row 3 with row 1 plus -3 times row 3, meaning we're going to leave rows 1 and 2 alone. Row 3 is going to become row 1, which is 4, plus -3 times row 3, which is 4. That's 4 plus -12, or -8. And then we'll take, for the second element, row 1, which is 2, plus -3 times 2, that's -6. Then our third element would be row 1 plus -3 times row 3. That would be +6. And last, for the fourth element, would be row 1 plus -3 times row 3. That would be 3 plus -15, which is -12.